In this video, we are going to show you how to make liquid soap from scratch using the cold process method. To begin, slowly add 132 grams of potassium hydroxide into 350 grams distilled water while stirring continuously. Allow it to cool slightly before moving on to the next step. Combine 300 grams of olive oil, 125 grams of coconut oil, and 75 grams of castor oil in a pan. Heat them gently until everything is fully melted and blend it together into a smooth mixture. Once your oils and lye solution are ready, it's time to mix. Slowly pour the lye solution into the oils. Using a stick blender, blend the mixture until it reaches what's known as trace. This is the point where the soap thickens, becomes opaque, and leaves a visible trail across the surface when drizzled. The texture should resemble thick pudding. Continue heating the mixture on a low setting. Over the next 2 to 4 hours, the soap will gradually transform into a thick soap paste. The exact timing can vary depending on your temperature and how often you mix. When it's ready, the paste will appear glossy, smooth, and slightly translucent. Once the soap paste has fully saponified, it's time to dilute it. A good starting point is 1 part soap paste to 2 or 3 parts hot distilled water. Stir occasionally and allow the paste to dissolve slowly over time. If you'd like a thinner consistency, you can gradually add more water until you achieve your desired texture. At this stage, you can also add optional ingredients to customize your liquid soap. Popular additions include fragrance oils or essential oils at around 0.5% to 2%, botanical extracts, colorants, or glycerin for an enhanced skin feel. Finally, transfer your finished liquid soap into clean, airtight containers. Because true soap naturally has a high pH, it generally offers good stability and shelf life. However, any additional botanicals, fragrances, or specialty ingredients may affect how long the product remains at its best. And that's it, your liquid soap is ready to use. If you've enjoyed this video, like and subscribe for more soap making videos.